So these things you can find anywhere in the streets of Philippines. It's very common. This is the shake, the smoothies. It's many flour, and here in the Philippines it's very common to have the banana shake, but it's the Filipino favorite. You know, Filipino always like banana, and then mango shake. What is my favorite? Because I always like mango. So this place it's very popular and it's many people coming.
Maybe because we're just working here.
Nearby, so you come in every day to take a mango shake here from this place. This one is one of the best mango shake in Malate Ermita here. Wow, it's very good. I am so excited to try it. Sorry, can I have one mango shake as well when you have time? Thank you very much indeed. So, what's the name of this one? Panda.
Mango.
Mango. What is inside? You take the mango shake with cheese. So there is different type of mango. We have mango shake with pear. Graham is the biscuits. Mango cheese shake with pear and graham. Banana shake. Banana cheese shake. Melon shake also with melon. And then also you get there the double cheese shake. Avocado cheese shake. So what is your favorite? Mango shake with cheese. The cheese is sweet or is salty? Sweet cheese. Oh, all right. How are you? Do you like the shake? Yeah. All right. What is your favorite shake? Mango with pear or just with the biscuits? Pear, cheese, and biscuits, Graham. Wow, very nice. I'm so excited to try it.
Did you place your order?
Yes. Can I have one mango cheese shake with pear and graham? So what's your name? What's your name?
Ian.
Ian. Oh, you have a Chinese name. Ian. Yeah, it's my first time.
So you haven't tried the one brand that's present in the malls, the Maxi Mango? Not yet.
Not yet. No. Always made this one.
Sorry?
Oh, they make it.
Yes. It's a bit high-end compared to this because it has a stall in the mall.
Ah, all right. Okay.
Have you been to MOMA?
So I just changed the place because it was very noisy. Where they make the shake was just right in the streets. I came more nearby the Robinson Mall. It's a little bit more reserved. And then I'm going to try this spectacular mango shake with grahams, cheese, and pear inside. Let's try it. You get the pear straight away in your mouth, because it's from the bottom. The pear are a little bit strong and tasteless. Maybe it's just though, maybe the sauce is sweet. The pear have not so much flour, but this smooth is very good. I'm going to mix again a little bit. So, set up the straw. So we take just the juice and with the sweet sauce. You see the black sweet sauce here. It's very consistent. It's very good. You can feel at one point also the biscuits. I think this shake can easily replace a meal because it's very good. It's very consistent. It's one of the best shake I ever tried. Mango cheese shake with pears. So pears are the black ball that we found inside, the small black ball. It's very good, it's very creamy. You can feel the graham, which is the biscuit, it's very popular in the Philippines. I don't know if it's the States as well, I cannot remember. I feeling very creamy, the smooth. It's half, but doesn't taste of cheese. Because you cannot feeling like the taste of cheese, like Philadelphia, Gorgonzola, Parmesan cheese. It's very creamy. So the cheese, they say it will be maybe some slice of butter. Well, never tried this shake with cheese and butter before. It's very good, extremely good. You must export it in the States and open a branch of cheese shake with mango, banana and Graham's biscuits. Very good. From my point of view, this shake is a .10. Fantastic.